In the wisdom of Feng Shui, there exists a crucial area that determines whether a home or office can gather TA and be full of opportunities. This area acts as the home's energetic foyer and plaza of potential. It is the Ming Tang, or the Bright Hall. A wide, open, and welcoming Bright Hall is a prerequisite for all harmonious Feng Shui formations. The original meaning of Ming Tang was the place where ancient rulers met with their officials and issued decrees. It had to be open, flat, and orderly to display grandeur and gather the people's energy. In Feng Shui, this concept is extended to refer to the open space in front of any building or seat used for gathering qi. The most important function of the Bright Hall is to allow the fast-flowing qi from the outside to slow down, meander, and settle in this space. Here, it transforms from a raw, mixed state into a gentle, nourishing Shen qi, life-generating energy, before slowly flowing into the building's interior. It's like an energetic buffer and settling zone. Without it, qi would just rush through like a draft, unable to form a beneficial energy field. The Bright Hall is divided into the outer Bright Hall and the inner Bright Hall of breath. So, how do you assess and optimize the Bright Hall around you? Rule 1. The outer Bright Hall of your residence. This is the open area directly in front of your main door. Ideally, it should be flat, clean, with some greenery or a calm body of water. If the space in front of the door is narrow, cluttered, or faces a steep downward slope, it will be difficult to create a good environment for energy to gather. Rule 2. The inner Bright Hall of your office. This is the area directly in front of your desk. There should be enough space in front of the desk for you to turn and move around easily. A spacious inner Bright Hall symbolizes that your career prospects are broad and you have room for growth. Sitting facing a wall is the most typical example of a layout with no Bright Hall. Rule 3. The inner Bright Hall of your sofa. The area in front of the main sofa in the living room also needs an open space. This area is the center for family interaction and energy gathering. It should be kept tidy and not be overly occupied by a large coffee table or clutter. In order to form a harmonious and cohesive family energy field, the wisdom of the Bright Hall teaches us the importance of space and negative space. Giving energy a place to settle and transform is the key to benefiting from our environment. Examine the Bright Halls around you and create a beautiful open plaza for your future and your opportunities. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will continue to explore a deeper concept, Feng Shui versus Qi Shui. Thank you for watching.